This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on or off JavaScript on the Epic Privacy web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Epic Privacy web browser opened up now. To enable or disable JavaScript, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right-hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the Settings page, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to go to where it says Privacy and Security and click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to go down to where it says Site Settings and click on Site Settings. Then under Site Settings, you want to scroll down a little ways, down to where it says Additional Permissions. You want to make sure that that's expanded, Additional Permissions, and under Content, right down here, JavaScript. Click on JavaScript. It says sites usually use JavaScript to display interactive features like video games or web forms. Default behavior. Sites automatically follow this setting when you visit them. By default, the top one is probably toggled on. Sites can use JavaScript. That enables it. The bottom one, if you toggle that one on, don't allow sites to use JavaScript. Down below that, it has customized behavior. It says sites listed below follow a custom setting instead of the default. You can enable or disable JavaScript for particular sites down here by clicking on the Add button. But the main feature is right up top here, the default behavior. Sites can use JavaScript or don't allow sites to use JavaScript. Thanks for watching.